Is this the app for passwords or is it fake? Every day we create new accounts, new passwords, and new risks. One weak password is enough to lose your email, your bank access, or even your identity. That's why password manager apps are everywhere. And one of the most talked about names is 1Password. But is it really a secure solution or just another overhyped app? Let's break it down. 1Password is designed to store all your passwords in one encrypted vault, so you only need to remember a single master password. Instead of using the same weak password everywhere or writing them down, the app generates strong passwords and fills them automatically when you log into websites or apps. This alone already puts it ahead of saving passwords directly in your browser. One of the main reasons people trust 1Password is security. The app uses strong encryption and a zero-knowledge system, which means your data is locked before it ever leaves your device. Not even the company itself can see your passwords. Everything is protected by your master password, and if you forget it, there is no backdoor. That sounds scary, but it's actually a sign of real security. Another big advantage is compatibility. 1Password works across phones, tablets, computers, and browsers. You can start on your laptop, continue on your phone, and everything stays synced. For people who use multiple devices every day, this makes life much easier and reduces the risk of password reuse. But let's talk about the downsides. The biggest complaint is pricing. In 2026, 1Password still requires a subscription, and for some users that feels unnecessary when free password managers exist. If you only have a few accounts and don't care about advanced features, the cost may seem high. There is also a learning curve. While the interface is clean, new users sometimes feel confused during the initial setup. Understanding vaults, secure sharing, and advanced settings takes a bit of time, especially if you've never used a password manager before. So is 1Password fake or unsafe? No, it's a legitimate, well-established app used by individuals, families, and even large companies. There's no evidence of it stealing data or running shady practices. The real question is whether it fits your needs. If you care about strong security, use multiple devices, and want peace of mind knowing your passwords are properly protected, 1Password is a solid choice. If you just want something basic and free, other options may be enough. In the end, 1Password isn't magic, but it is real, secure, and reliable. The decision comes down to how seriously you take online security. If this review helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more honest app reviews, and let me know in the comments what password manager you're using in 2026. See you in the next one.